PEPE was up nearly 20% today. Now it's pulled back approximately 10%. However, we think PEPE is going to pump absolutely to the moon. So should you load up on some PEPE token? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on PEPE token. But if you haven't already, do me a solid and smash the subscribe button down below if you don't want to miss the latest and greatest crypto news related content. Let's jump right into things. Taking a look at the overall crypto market, we're in an interesting position as we had a 10% pump across the board. Bitcoin back in the $61,000 range. And we went from being at that the fear end of neutral to the greed end of neutral, so that's good, from a 46 to a 56, slowly creeping back towards greed, which is absolutely awesome. And we're hoping this greed momentum will pump into meme coins. We see meme coins are about to make a swift recovery back into the green. That's great. PEPE is what we're talking about today, up nearly 12%. However, earlier today I seen it was up about 18-19%, still down about 14% on the week. So there's still some opportunities here to buy before this puppy pumps to the moon, or I should say this frog pumps to the moon. We're very bullish to see what comes in upcoming weeks as Bitcoin is trending again, Bitcoin is pumping again. We're anticipating meme coins to pump as well. Talking about meme coins pumping, guys, here's an opportunity you absolutely don't want to miss, especially if you love PEPE, and that is PEPE Unchained. PEPE now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during the pre-sale to max out on rewards. Currently offering a 249% AP. Guys, you're not going to see APs like this anywhere else. Now it's time to buy and stake. This project has raised over $7.7 million, almost $7.8 million in pre-sale alone, and it's going to continue to pump. So make sure you load up now, as it's instant bridging between ETH and PEPE, low transaction fees, high volume capacity, and dedicated block explorer. PEPE token is going to go absolutely ballistic. Link in the comment section and in the description below. But we're going back to PEPE token, guys, as some interesting things are happening. It's trending, it's all over the news, and mostly bullish news. PEPE is revolutionizing meme coins with the culture and DeFi. PEPE price predictions: will PEPE rise over 1,000% despite dampening trending? As PEPE tests key support levels, a major rally is on the way. We are seeing some pretty bullish headlines. We can even see it on Twitter as well. Not quite a billion today, but PEPE is still doing far more volume than other meme coins. That's absolutely awesome. We see $3.5 billion in volume, which is, sorry, that's a market cap, but in volume, $927 million, which is not too shabby, especially compared to the rest of the coins across the board. We take a look at technicals, guys, and technicals are looking neutral, a little bit bullish. Oscillators are neutral. Moving averages are in sell, giving us a total summary of sell. But I think this is going to be a rally point for PEPE, as you already seen it pumping earlier today. On the one day, we did see it pump up earlier and pull back. On the week, we are again down 17%. It is setting up for a perfect pump. So if you don't have a bag of PEPE already, you may want to load up. But again, remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing in any of the cryptos we cover on this channel. As one, I'm not a financial advisor, and two, you should always do your own research and due diligence. As the meme coins are rallying, crypto's starting to pump again, literally up 10% in terms of market cap overall across the board. Bitcoin up about 10%, Ethereum up about 10% on 24-hour alone. This is definitely going to trickle into the meme coin effect, and we're already seeing it with some meme coins pumping. I mean, PEPE's still up 11%, right? Brett's up 16%, and we're anticipating this momentum to cause it for a new rally. We go on the 1 month, guys, to get a full clear picture. We're down about 5%, so it has made a lot of recovery from the dip it had earlier this month. So regardless, I think we're going to see it crazy bounce back and crazy explosive potential for PEPE token. This is just a start. As crypto starts to pump more and more, we're going to see some more opportunities come up for PEPE and other meme coins alike. But let me know how you guys feeling about PEPE in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. Also, let me know if you're loading up on PEPE Unchained. We're pretty bullish here on the 99B channel for this token. So if you're loading up, let us know in the comment section below. That wraps the video. Until next time, it is your friend Umar. Peace.